Hello my friends, I'm going to show you how to do Tsa Tsa. What we need is a clay of course, a little water in a bowl with washing liquid. This water may be used later to wash the form. We need a paintbrush, and just a teeny weeny of oil. It can be any oil. I mean the food oil. Alright, so what we have to do now is what we are going to do. I'm going to oil the form. It protects, or it helps to remove the clay from this form. A small piece of clay, you smooth it at the top, and evenly you press into this mold. You have to the clay you use need to be a right consistency, not too hard, not too dry, not too soft. After a few attempts, you will be certain, you will know what I'm talking about. It's hard to explain this. You simply have to see in your own hands by experience. So when the form is fully inside the mold, you take another piece of clay, a little bigger, and you have to press this, and you need to moving to the sides, see how it jak to wychodzi. So yeah, it's out. Now I'm trying to detach this. No, it's attached too much, so I have to use a knife. Okay, and this helped me to move it. No. And from the other side. Okay. All right. Oh. Yeah. It's cut off. Now I'm smoothing the edges. Smoothing the back of this form, and it's helpful to just throw it onto the table or piece of board. I show you how to do it like this. Okay, one more time. This is the form. This is Tsa Tsa. You can use Tsa Tsa what later? You need to dry it completely, and you can either bake it in the oven or kiln if you have access, but probably most of you won't have, so try in the oven on the maximum temperature, and try to find places which are under the shelter, so the Tsa Tsa won't be exposed to rain and wet. But you have to know that it's just clay, it's not metal. At some point it will fall apart. Okay, thank you guys, bye.